everybody, welcome back to Crystal Beauty TV. I'm excited to be making videos again, and I'm so thankful. I want to say hello to all the new subscribers. Thank you so much. I'm going to be reviewing the Beetles gel polish kit. This one is 20 colors. I will link it down below in the description. Let's get started. This kit is about $33 at the time I purchased it. Again, it might have updated. I did get it on Amazon. It had like 4 stars. The reason I got it, I know sometimes it can be sketchy buying things online if you're really not sure, but gel polish is very expensive, like super. You could get like one color for $16, depending on the brand and where you get and everything, but that's average for professional gel polish. So getting a good collection of different colored gel polishes can be quite expensive. This is a more affordable option for somebody just starting out or who just does it on their own at home. So let's take a look. So when we open it up, it says, interestingly, enjoy your own color stickers. So first apply the gel color here and cure, and then apply a top coat and cure. So that's good. Gives you a few sheets of those, and then an application guide. It seems like it's just pretty standard instructions. Yep, so if you know gel polish, you probably don't have to do that. So I'm guessing we got these stickers maybe because they're not labeled. These are 5 milliliter bottles. And that's not super big, but again, you're not paying a whole bunch like you would getting each individual color, and it gives you a good variety to play around with. I don't think this is what, no. Okay, they're all numbered, so that's where we'll put this sticker over top once all the swatches are made. Okay. So it's got a row of those. There's one. There's another. Ooh, it's getting heavy. And here's the last one. Okay, so we have a bigger 7.5 milliliter bottle for the base gel, the top gel, which is shiny, and then the matte top gel. And then some more colors. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do these swatches because I don't wanna have to open every bottle every time. You guys, I messed up on this first sheet. I just didn't think about the gel curing over the edge of the sticker and went for it, and I could not get the stickers off. So I went ahead and peeled off the excess, like the background of the sticker sheet, and I would suggest you do that. So just paint on the dots. For the swatches, I did 2 layers of the color, and then I did a shiny top coat. If you have an LED lamp like me, then you'll want to cure it for 60 seconds. If you have a UV lamp, you'll want to go for more. So here are all the swatches. We have the 17 colors, the base coat, and the 2 top coats. These blue and purple ones were nowhere near as opaque as the other polishes, but we'll test that out later. I love these pastel colors, and I love the neon, especially the green and yellow. I'm super excited about those. And then we have these 4 glitter colors. To take a better look, I decided to use clear tips. I'm going to use 0 because they're huge and I never use them. Sorry everyone, I'm still working on getting the lighting right in my studio, but this is what they look like after 1 coat. Most of them are pretty nice and opaque. These 2 glitters, you can definitely still see through them, but they have decent coverage. These 2, you can totally see through them. I was surprised the one on the left was okay because it was so thick in the bottle, but it's alright. These definitely need another coat, but they're so cute. I'm impressed, honestly. Just like I thought they would be, these are very thin. You can totally still see through it. The yellow will definitely need a second coat, but most gel polishes do, so that's fine. A lot of these pastels got pretty good opacity with just 1 coat. This is the glitter with a second coat. You can still see through it a bit, but the coverage is pretty good. The same for this one. These you can definitely still see through, so I would just suggest putting it on top of another color or adding more layers. As you can tell, the pastel colors have great opacity. I only had to do a second layer, and they're done and ready for top coat. After their second coat, most of the neons were okay. This color could have used a 3rd coat. With most neon polishes, I recommend doing a first layer of white polish and then putting the neon on top to just be very bright. The purple and blue still were just pretty see-through. Kind of disappointing. The yellow could use another coat, but it's not too bad. I tried a third coat on some of them. I don't know why I didn't do the yellow. Blue, you can still see through, but it's getting there. That one's pretty good. Purple is a little better. But I'm disappointed because this is what it looked like on the Amazon listing. You can see the blue and purple, and they're definitely not that opaque with 3 layers. On each of the nails, I did half gloss top coat, half matte top coat. Let's go over the pros and cons while we look at the results. Pro number 1, they are very affordable. Each bottle is less than $2. Number 2, the gel consistency is great, not too thick, not too runny. Number 3, except for a few, they have pretty great coverage. Number 4, they have a good range of like spring and summer colors that are really cute. Number 5, it's on Amazon Prime, so it's delivered right to your door. Number 6, they're durable. I ended up doing a set of these on my sister-in-law, but I forgot to take a video or picture or anything. Anyway, she says that she was moving furniture, chopping wood, doing a lot of really harsh stuff with her hands and nails, and they lasted, so that's awesome. Number 7, I like that they give bigger sizes of the base and top coats, because if it was just little, it would run out way too fast with your kit. Number 8, I like that it comes with a matte top coat. I always love that option. The top coats are no wipe. You don't need to use alcohol or anything on them afterwards. Number 10, they cure really well. Now on to the cons. Number 1, a few colors have not so great coverage. Number 2, the top coats smell weird. The smell isn't too strong, but it's definitely weird. 3, the gold glitter was a little bit thick, but it cured just fine. Number 4 was that it did have some negative reviews on Amazon, but you never know with those. It could be a bad batch they received, user error, the gel light not at full power, or like improperly stored. All things considered, I'd probably give it a 4.5 out of 5. I would definitely recommend buying this to try out some different gel colors and expand your collection. Thanks for watching.